Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to delete repository in GitHub. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your GitHub homepage, and here you will get your all repositories you created. And for example, I want to delete this repository, so I'm going to clicking above this and clicking on settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will get this delete this repository option, and also you can archive this repository. To delete the repository, click on delete this repository and type this code to confirm and click on this option. And now you have to confirm your account. And then here you can see I have successfully deleted my repository. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.